Category is for corporate leadership, and uh, this award is in the category Innovative Technology Solutions for Higher Education Institutes, and that award goes to Top Freshers Technologies Private Limited. And we congratulate Top Freshers Technologies Private Limited for getting this esteemed 19th World Education Summit Award. And I congratulate and request the CEO of the company, Mr. Ganesh S., to kindly receive this award and say a few words.
Good evening to one and all. We are grateful to Elix Technomedia for this honor, and it feels great to be awarded on this premium platform on the occasion of the 19th World Education Summit and Awards 2021. We dedicate this award to our entire team that has worked tirelessly even during the pandemic and stressful times. A special thanks to all the academic fraternity and management heads of the colleges who have always been supporting and encouraging us with utmost faith and on our ability to deliver the best, which always motivated us to take strides and move forward in this journey to excellence. Above all, to the Almighty showering us the strength and agility to traverse the tough times. Today, on this novel occasion, we from Top Freshers are extremely delighted to receive this award and recognition as Innovative Technology Solutions for Higher Education Institutions. Yes, our technology tool TURB has now been widely acclaimed and appreciated among the higher education community. TURB is not just a code simulator, but also integrated with an assessment engine and learning platform built on the principles of guided learning approach of Bloom's taxonomy, aligned to the outcome-based education framework of Washington College. This award comes at a time when we have been evaluated and empaneled by ASAP on their need, a PPP initiative, and also by NASSCOM under the Future Skills Prime initiative as their virtual labs partner for emerging technologies. Our strength has always increased in dealing with challenges and overcoming them. I'm grateful to take this award with utmost purity and dedication as a refund of our efforts towards our actions. This reward will be a big motivation for projects coming in our way. Once again, thank you all for this recognition. I'd rather I call this as an ignition. Thank you.
Thank you, and many congratulations to you, Mr. Ganesh S., CEO of Top Freshers Technologies Private Limited, receiving this award of Innovative Technology Solutions for Higher Education Institutes.